Dubai, a city renowned for pushing the boundaries of engineering, is home to some of the world's most ambitious man-made islands, the Palm Jumeirah and the World. These iconic landmarks are not just feats of engineering, but works of art visible from space. The Palm Jumeirah, shaped like a palm tree, was created using millions of tons of rock and sand. This colossal project not only expanded Dubai's shoreline, but also captivated the world's imagination with its audacity and innovation. Just off the coast, the World Islands represent a map of the globe spread across the waters. Each island is a private estate designed to offer ultimate exclusivity and luxury, showcasing Dubai's commitment to unparalleled development. While these islands are a testament to human ingenuity, they come with significant environmental implications. The construction has altered tidal flows and marine ecosystems, sparking a debate on sustainable development in mega projects. Beyond their environmental impact, these islands have transformed Dubai's economy, boosting tourism and real estate, and have become symbols of the city's luxurious lifestyle and rapid urban development. As Dubai continues to innovate, the focus is shifting towards sustainability. Newer projects are being designed with eco-friendly technologies and methods to minimize environmental impact and ensure the longevity of these aquatic masterpieces. From the bustling cityscape to the tranquil blue waters, Dubai's artificial islands remind us of the limitless possibilities of human creativity and the responsibilities that accompany such grand visions. Thank you for exploring Dubai's remarkable islands with us. Like, subscribe, and share this video to discover more engineering marvels and the stories behind them. Stay curious and keep exploring.